welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the Orlando Premium Vinyl Outlets. I have been meaning to film this for you for a while. We have some amazing stores here and a brand new Gucci outlet that I've been wanting to check. So I figured I'm gonna spend the day here with my family today. My brother is visiting from Brazil with his wife and my niece and my nephew. So I'm gonna have some fun with the family and show you the goodies as usual. So they have Godiva outlet, check that out. So my niece is so tired because they've been walking all day at the parks. Okay guys, so these luxury beauty stores that you have right here, they have amazing brands, beauty brands for very low prices. Check that out. They have like skincare and then makeup from very good brands like Lancome. They have fragrances and then everything in the back, guys, right here that is 25% off, it's an additional 50% off. That's insane. Look at this. They have Vice lipsticks, Urban Decay. Guys, check this out. So this Flower Bomb is 25% off and an additional 50% off. Okay, so this is the Eau de Parfum. It's $90, so an additional 50% of that is gonna be 45 bucks. Elle, say hi.
Hi.
This is my brother Bruno. Say hi to my subscribers. That's Bruno and that's Lorena, my sister-in-law. And that is my little doll, Bella. Bella, fala oi.
Fala meu presentinho.
Oi. Okay, they went crazy on the store. Got some amazing deals, guys.
Esse é nosso.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to A6. My brother wants to see, he's always looking for like sportive apparel. So check out the sneakers. Of course, I love the pink one. Check this out, 50% off. All right, so now we are at Kipling and they have so many cute things. They have like buy one, get one free or like 40% off. Check these things out right here, how cute. These are all 40% off. Look at the backpack. I think these are adorable. All right, so this is what the store is like. Many cute things, lots of sales. Guys, this is Roberto Cavalli. I'm not gonna go in there because it is closing. There are many big discounts, but things are still really expensive though. Look at that, from $4,200 to $859 on that jacket. I mean, $1,200, like, I don't know, like, I feel like the discounts are not big enough. And, you know, Roberto Cavalli stuff is kind of like out there, so I'm not sure it's worthwhile. All right, so there is a line to go inside the Gucci outlet. I can't even believe that. But, oh my gosh, it's already looking good, and it is packed. Look at this. Tem que entrar na fila, Lorena. We gotta go to the line. Okay, let's check out the bags. Look at that. There you go, look at the bag. Actually, the selection of bags is pretty good, guys. Check that out. Look inside. I don't know if they're gonna let me film. They're a pain in the butt in these outlet malls. Big in here, guys. Check it out. This outlet is the bomb. There's so many beautiful things. Guys, these are an additional 50% off, like this section of ready to wear. That's freaking incredible. And look at the shoes. This is 600 bucks. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These sneakers right here, look at that. These are like 329 bucks, guys. All of these sneakers are like 300 bucks. I can't even believe it. Guys, these are 180. This is the boys section. Look at the sneakers. Jackets. Look at this. This is $1,200. This is such a great deal. Okay, so she's trying this pink one right here for like 329, which is so cute. Check this out. Also 400 and change for this. Oh my gosh, love that. Check this out. This is like 400 and change. Perfect for walking around and looking cute and casual all around town. I love it. how pretty this bag. And I gotta show you, look at this coat, 1900, absolutely incredible. Check out this other style, more sportive style. This is like, I think 300 and change as well. Absolutely beautiful. Vira atrás. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this jacket. 500 bucks is like on sale and then half off. Absolutely incredible. So this is the belt selection, guys, like the Gucci logo, $229. Reversible. These are the men's wallets, guys. So this one is $259. The large is $299. Check this out. This is $650. I cannot believe this big bag for this price. Okay, look at the selection here. I'm absolutely in love with these guys. Oh my gosh, they're like super minis, $556. The wallet selection, oh my gosh, so many beautiful ones. Look at the card holder. Wow, guys, the selection is amazing. Love this right here. Look at the sneakers and the bags. Oh, so cute. This is like the glam section. And then I love these boots. The bag, beautiful, from Miu Miu, is $525. I love the sock boots. Look at the Prada. Oh my gosh, this Miu Miu bag. I love the detail on this bag is absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh, these mini bags are so cute. These Miu Miu sneakers for $240. Look at the selection of Prada and Miu Miu sneakers. Wow. The Miu Miu selection of bags. They actually have a lot of things. Guys, the selection is quite amazing. The selection on sale, guys. I have to show you these right here for $450. I'm absolutely in love. Look at the colors. So pretty. I love this one, and I like this beige one here as well. Look, with the chain. Look at these mini bags. We are absolutely in love. In love with this mini bag right here. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute keychains. 95 bucks. And those are the wallet on a chain. I mean, the selection, guys, is absolutely, look at that, amazing selection. Guys, the Gucci outlet, absolutely worth it. I was pleasantly surprised. I absolutely recommend. The selection was amazing. The store is huge. I have been to many Gucci outlets and a lot of them only have kind of like crap. This one had some beautiful things, guys. I was really shocked. So I thought it was a very successful trip. My sister-in-law bought all kinds of stuff. I did not buy anything because I am frozen right now because I'm focusing on furniture for my house. That's what my shopping consists of lately, but definitely productive for the rest of my family. Oh look, there is Bottega, but I doubt that the Bottega store is gonna have any of the cool things that we want. So check this out. Jimmy Choo, Marc Jacobs. I love Marc Jacobs ready to wear. Jimmy Choo always has amazing sales. And we have a Tag Heuer outlet for watches. Ferragamo. Check it out. Look at the bags for Ferragamo. So beautiful. Check it out. Look at how beautiful the Ferragamo boutique is. Oh my gosh. Absolutely stunning. And this is the ladies shoe section. The whole store is an additional 20% off, guys. So many beautiful things. Look at the bags. Look at that Versace. There's a line for Versace. Look at that. Armani outlet. Oh, I see. My brother wants a wallet. These are $89. Look at that, 89 bucks. It's a good deal. So these are the SLGs, 99 bucks, guys. It's a good deal. And then here we have some 70% off, beautiful jackets, t-shirts for half off.
The Gucci outlet was absolutely amazing. I am so pleasantly surprised. The selection was incredible. The store is huge. I thought they had really beautiful bags, really beautiful shoes. I have been to a lot of outlets before, and a lot of times they kind of have crap, you know, and that was not the case with the Gucci outlet here at all. I totally recommend you come check it out. But Orlando has 2 premium outlets, so if you come, you need to make sure you come to the Vineland premium outlets, because that's the one that has the Gucci store, the Prada store, and more of the luxury outlet stores. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, taking time off of your busy day to watch my videos. It means the world, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.